Evening guys, thought I'd do a quick video, haven't done one over the weekend. Top down, XJO. We've spoke about this over and over. 4.6 still critical, got to go over that 4.5 today. I think we'll come back down again tomorrow due to that little down we had on the Dow. I don't think we'll be down to sideways type thing. So we're still within this. Seem to be trading this range. Hopefully this is the next step up and we'll go from here to here. Anyway, these are just a few that of my own. CAP, you see that it's triggered on my system. It's got the swing low confirmed on Friday, filled the gap, everything looking good, got a good uptrend. Looking, it's bounced off that trend line. For those lot of trend lines, we'd like to see them anyway. So it's not looking bad. It's done a similar sort of thing here. It's quite interesting. We get these wide range bars and it's coming back again. It's almost there again. One of those would have been looking for that as a fail, which you did. But yeah, I think there's something in there. See what it does. GR. I must have looked at this one before. Again, swing low. It's just come off that swing low, confirmed on Friday. It's stick this trend line in here. Yeah, it's also on a good trend line. It's just bounced off the trend line coming up. There's not a lot in this one, I don't think. I think it'll be hard push to break 60. Had a little double top there and came off of it, so small trade might be alright. Push, I think if it pushes past 60 it might do alright. It might get up to the 75, 70 mark. But to wait and see. ESG, similar sort of thing. After channels, I normally ignore these wide range bars. Normally ignore them when I'm putting my trend lines on, my channel lines. The more points you get, obviously, the better the line is. Yeah. Again, it's coming off. This looks almost identical to CAP actually. That little gap down and it's just filled and back up again. Again, I think this might have trouble. This has been sort of range on the way up, so it might just push above here. Yeah, it's worth having a look at. One for the watch list. KZL. Yeah, now this push up, and this is actually a different pattern. You would, well, it's almost a different pattern if you ignore this one, that one bar there, which looking at this probably would. This high here and this high here with this consolidation in the middle. You could almost, well, the play is on that sort of pattern. This pullback here is expected, and then it's expected. They call it a double top knockout, and then this knocks people out, and then it pushes back up. So worth keeping an eye on, especially the high. What it says, that high there, it says it's got to have a 2-month high. So we've had that is the 2-month high. June, July, August, and then it says within 3 or 4 days to have another higher high than that, which we would have had that bar there, and then it was going to pull back. That gets everyone out, and then away we go. It's worth keeping an eye on that different pattern. but one that does work as well. MGR is the next one. MGR. Must have spoken about this at some point again. Yeah, I don't know why I've got this in here actually. It's really struggling to. It needs to sort of break that line. It has confirmed here, and it might well push up, but that's what I don't like. It's pretty rangy in the fact that this range here, it's on its way down. So that you would expect that to sort of go there. But there might be a few cents in it. I wouldn't get overexcited about that. MER, MER, maybe not. MER. Oh, interesting. Sorry guys, don't know where that came from. MER is not actually a NQM. Yeah, another one I don't know what's in there. Oh, I know why I put this in here. I want to talk a bit about consolidation. We all say about this is consolidating. Just want to go over what is consolidation, what is which way it's going to go, up or down. And this isn't a bad one to show you. If I was looking at this one here, and I was looking at this as consolidation, you can see that you can see the pressure here. So we open here and it pushes down. Okay, we finish back up. You'll probably find that was only one or two trades, but it's always the same. We open high, go down low. We either come back up or we stay lower. So all of the pressure is coming down, and then we have this bar that's a down bar. So by the time you sort of get to this stage, we can say this is consolidating and building up pressure, which is a term I use a lot. But you know, which way is it going to go? But I could tell you from about that fifth day that this would probably go down, which it did come down, had that swing low, and then pushed on up. It's just, you just got to keep an eye on these bars and how it's trading. Just to say a flat period is consolidation. Anyone can say that. You need to know, and you need to look at what's going on during the day to see whether your consolidation period is going to push it up or down. Really, when I say consolidation, I'm on about how the traders are trading that stock at that particular time. Yeah, so if you got in on that swing low, that was actually a nice little trade. And again, the push up over that, I mean, that was a great big jump, but that extended bargain that failed, but still plenty of money to be made. Okay, PNR. I'll just go back. Oh yeah, I'll just go back to that one quickly. I haven't got much time. Won't be able to finish this, I don't think. But it just to go on a bit further from that consolidation. This would also be classed as consolidation, and you can see the difference here. So you know, there's different forms of consolidation, and it's how you read the chart. Consolidation here, consolidation there. So it's just a matter of getting yourself used to what these things actually mean. Anyway, though, I'm running out of time. I'll put this up for now.